Dear students, today we will discuss what is the difference between entrepreneur and entrepreneur. Before starting the difference between entrepreneur, one should know who is an entrepreneur and who is an entrepreneur. See, an entrepreneur, as we all know, is that person who take risk, design, launch, and manage a new business and bear the risk. So he is the innovator, or he may be the imitator as well, and he is the individual person who design, launch, and through his creativity, through his innovation, he start a new venture or in a business. But when we talk about the term entrepreneur, an entrepreneur is a person or an individual person who work on developing new ideas and product, but confined to his workplace, means where that person is working, already working within a business. Say, suppose, take an example, there is a senior manager and who come up with a new idea, some slight change in the designing, some innovative strategies to boost up the sale. So that person, that senior manager, is known as an entrepreneur, because he, though he is working in the organization, but he is acting as an entrepreneur for developing and creating innovative things for his organization. So that's why he is known as entrepreneur. Hope the meaning of entrepreneur and entrepreneur is clear now. So if you talk about entrepreneur, it include any person within the company that applies entrepreneurial skills. We have, in our previous videos, we have learned various entrepreneurial skills like foresightness, decision making, forward thinking, vision, and how to convert the role of the company into the objective of the company into the feasible into the reality. Then he is an entrepreneur. Now, what is the difference between entrepreneur and entrepreneur? I have categorized few of the differences here on some basis. Like the first base is the level of independence, the level of dependency, or you can say how much that person is depending on. So if we talk about entrepreneur, an entrepreneur work or his work is independent of any undertakings. He is not liable to answer anyone. He is his own boss. He is independent in carrying out any of the tasks. Any decision he can take any time. He need not to ask for the approval of the decision. Whereas the entrepreneur, he is totally dependent on the organization in which he is working. Because if he come up with a new idea, he need to seek the permission before, or seek the approval before implementing those ideas. So he is dependent on the organization. If we when Then the second base is finance. The entrepreneur, for running his business, raises finance for his organization. So he himself raised the fund. But when we talk about for entrepreneur, funds are not raised by him. He uses the capital raised by the company. Means he uses the fund raised by the entrepreneur. Now, what is the level of risk? See, if we talk about entrepreneur, the entrepreneur has to bear the entire risk involved in the business. But whereas if we talk about entrepreneur, he does not fully bear the risk involved in the enterprise. He is, though he is liable of some risks, but not all the risk. Now moving to the next, what are the operational areas. He operates from outside, means he is not actually working on that. He is not actually, on the ground zero. But the entrepreneur operate within the organization itself. He has to work day to day in the premises of the organization, in the organization as well. Now, if we talk about the inspiration, an entrepreneur is not capable of inspiring other in the organization because he has just run the business, he has just created the business. But an entrepreneur is serve, or he serve as an inspiration champion to other in the organization, and other people will also come for entering into for innovative, create innovative ideas and generate the thing. So these are the differences between an entrepreneur and entrepreneur. To sum up, an entrepreneur is a person who take risk and start a new venture, whereas an entrepreneur is a person who is working within the organization and working as an entrepreneur within the environment of the organization, come up with the new ideas, come up with the new policies, come up with the new strategies, so that he is an entrepreneur. Hope the difference between entrepreneur and entrepreneur is clear now.